Wait.
I see a bear who sees me. He has just realized we're here.
He's eating something. He ain't moving. He's coming up his way.
See, what'll happen is this will get large and it'll look just like a bear.
This is not like that.
That ain't gonna do nothing to that bear.
Look, he gives
We're stuck here, boys.
We are stuck. We're on Bote Mountain in the rain. This is the suckiest of suck. I'm just glad it's raining. What about you, Pops?
Yeah. Good thing it's raining.
And we're in a full-fledged monsoon at the moment. Pops is in a grumpy mood. He won't even show his face.
If I take an unmarked trail, then it's get back here, Pops. Get that extra 8 inches. There wasn't a dang. Oh my goodness.
We have a 21-mile hike planned that none of us are really looking forward to. Long route, Curry Mountain, to Meigs Mountain, to Lumber Ridge, West Prong, Bote Mountain, Cade Cove, a little section of Finley Creek, and then Crib Gap. They're calling for heavy rains, 70-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Got about 3 hours sleep, don't know about these guys.
Yeah, that's where I'm at.
So it'll be an eventful day. Excited?
No.
I mean, we just got out of the truck and Pops is already peeing. This is the middle of Little River Road right here, folks.
You gotta go.
Pee number 1.
When you're at that age, it's coming, you just gotta let her feel.
Are getting close to the Meigs Mountain Junction and the wind started picking up big time. Getting a little concerned. It's blowing quite heavy, but we are on top of a ridge, so we're hoping if we can get off of this ridge, it might not be as bad. So we got in some rain, so finally, Mary Poppins and Mary Poppins Jr. broke out their umbrellas.
And funny how we're dry.
Yeah.
Mile down Lumber Ridge. Wind is still whipping pretty hard from times. Getting hit by tree limbs. Oh, it's got the gummy bears. Breakfast. Wait.
I see a bear who sees me. He has just realized we're here.
He's eating something. He ain't moving.
And he knows we're not a threat to him.
That's what he thinks.
Oh, says he's gonna go take him out for us. You better not get any closer, bro.
Think he's gonna charge?
If you get too close to his food, he will.
What's our plan if he charges?
Stand your ground.
Stand your ground.
Cause they know
Pop stands his ground and me and you run.
that's fine with me.
So what's the bear gonna do next? Bear whisper.
Well, I think he's gonna go around that bend. We're not gonna know how far he is. And we're
know
gonna walk
that's
right
gonna
up on
suck.
him.
Oh shit. He didn't like that, whatever we just did.
I need to whistle.
He's got food there. He just
He's going. Oh yeah.
he's got food there. He didn't want to leave, man.
He's taking us out now.
Yeah, he might just be right there in the bushes. Be careful.
Yeah, I am. He might have a gun. Let's fire it now.
We should get something that makes loud noise like a gun. Air horn. I used to carry an air horn.
We need to do that.
Yeah, we need to get an air horn.
Is that the budget?
Yeah, sure.
He's acorn these nuts right here.
Yeah.
Acorn, whatever.
Playing a man playing around here. I mean, he could be
He'd be right on us.
just as close as that dang bull moose was.
Let's roll through.
Remember that?
Bear whisperer.
I felt
Tell me
it.
about your
I felt
feeling.
the bear. For the first time ever, I was leading the pack. Hoss always takes the front spot. And I said, man, I feel the bear. I know it's coming. And
He's
look what
so
happened.
full.
this is a rare event while we're on the hiking trail.
We found one across this cut machine on the trail.
You're just sitting here on the trail, just sitting around.
You better not get the last Dr. Oh, it's sold out. Not the Dr. Pepper though.
So Dr. Pepper, man, go get Coke.
It's locked up.
Well, we've got documented proof that we've just had our money taken.
It's frozen.
Oh,
There we go. And it gave us a change.
Well, we started off the morning in the dark over towards Metcalf Bottoms and went up Prairie Mountain. Prairie Mountain's pretty steep. And then we went to another trail which intersected at another place, and we turned the curve and met a bear. Now we're here at Tremont.
Pops has the bright idea to put the jacket on. In 10 minutes,
It won't take 10 minutes, but right now I'm cold.
that coat will be coming off and we'll be stopping again.
What?
10 minutes later,
10 minutes? We've gone 3 miles.
we've not even gone a quarter mile, and both of them are taking clothes off.
What?
Wasting time, I told them.
Here we are, about 10 miles in. Hey, what trail are we on? West Prong? West Prong Trail, according to the guide. The rain has settled in. Some of us in the group wear ponchos without the hood on. I'm not sure about that. The other 2 of us are well covered in our umbrellas. 8 more miles of suck, it seems, but that's all right. We'll make it. He took a shortcut. He took a shortcut and he's trying to cut off.
No,
I don't. It might be 20 yards, maybe. Go around. Go around. Go touch the sign.
Go.
If you want to finish your map, you got to touch all the trails, and he skipped out on 10 yards of it.
Yeah, I guess that's all right. He hiked it
All
back.
right, whatever.
Oh, we're on Bote Mountain. And the rain has hit us hard. The wind's blowing. Pops is having a sugar crash. This trail's steep. Well, we made it to the Cade Cove junction, so the worst of our climb is over now. Bote Mountain was what we were dreading. And we're in a full-fledged monsoon at the moment. I mean, it is coming down. Pops is in a grumpy mood. He won't even show his face. He might not make it out of here, actually. But now we got Cade Cove, which is another 1.8. We're trucking along.
All right, here we are coming down Cade Cove. On the map, I think it's 1.7 miles. It's gonna feel like about 117 miles because, as you can see, it's absolutely coming down in buckets right now. Morale is low. Pops is wore out. Hoss, his bald head is soaked. My umbrella's leaking. We're just ready to get home and get the heck out of here. So, all right, we think this is the trail. We're trying to get to Turkey Pen, and I don't know. Apparently, knee-deep wading through this tunnel is required. Oh, golly, this is cold. This ain't it?
That's gotta be the way through.
There's not a sign?
Oh yeah, it's way through if you want it to be. If I take an unmarked trail, then it's, get back here, Pops. Get that extra 8 inches. There wasn't a dang, oh my goodness.
That ain't making the video, I don't know what is.
Crib Gap Trail after that little fiasco back there. We had no idea where to go, but rain's let up a little bit. Pops is still grumpy.
Poor guy didn't say anything about water crossings, let alone walking through the creek for 30 yards.
That's Pop's favorite thing about hiking is the water.
So we've made it back to Anthony Creek off of Crib Gap Trail, and we're almost back to the truck. That's all I've got to say about it.
Well, we made it out.
Yeah.
We were right at the trailhead, the Anthony Creek trailhead is where we ended it,
But today I'm not dressed.
which is at the picnic area. It was a really hard 18.7 miles, I have to say. I feel like we've been on the trail for 2 days. Really, what, 10 hours maybe? But we're here. We survived. So we are coming down the last half mile and everybody's following. How you doing, boy? They're not doing good.
4 time zones.
Pop says it sucks in 3 languages and 4 time zones. It's pretty accurate.